The MerlinXL Report Wizard is a web-based reporting tool that uses Excel as the interface instead of a browser, and that's because we believe Excel is the best tool for data reporting and analysis. As well as being easy to use, the Report Wizard has some powerful analysis functionality built into all reports as standard. It has a report library built and managed by the report administrators. Users can download reports from the library direct to their Excel. And it has an easy-to-use report builder, allowing users to build reports that don't already exist in the library. And the more advanced users have the ability to build the reports they want from a blank worksheet. The Report Wizard reports are easy to build because they don't use complicated cell-based formula like SmartView. When using the Report Wizard, the first thing to do is to connect to HFM from within Excel. First, we select the HFM application to connect to, then we enter our standard HFM username and password. MerlinXL uses HFM security throughout, so users will only be able to see the data to which they have been provisioned. Once successfully connected to HFM, the MerlinXL wizards are now ready to be used. The Report Wizard has a number of functions, and the first one we'll look at is the report library. Step 1 is to locate the report you want to run, and step 2 is to choose the point of view that you want to run the report for. And then thirdly, select OK to download the report. And the selected report is added to the workbook and populated with HFM data for the selected point of view. The current background point of view is controlled by the MerlinXL ribbon. Changing the background point of view is very simple, and the data updates accordingly. And notice that when we click on a cell, we can see it doesn't contain any formula, just the number taken directly from HFM. And if any of the cells in the report has HFM cell text attached to it, it will be displayed in an Excel pop-up. Double-clicking on a row in the report will drill down to the next level. And we can continue to drill down until we reach a base level. But if you need further analysis of a particular row, you can choose to drill down on a different dimension. Using the MerlinXL cell menu, we can choose to drill down on any dimension that has more child members, making the analysis of any cell in a report across any dimension very simple, with a combination of right-click and double-click functionality, combined with additional functionality in the MerlinXL ribbon. And when you've finished with the analysis, a simple double-click will return the report back to its original format. There is much more data analysis functionality available to the user, and we can show you that if you ask us for a live demo. Let's look now at the Report Builder function. This gives the users a simple interface to allow them to build their own Excel reports, by allowing them to choose from preset lists what they'd like to see in each axis of their new report, giving them lots of flexibility without having to build any complex formula. This way, users have access to a wide variety of reports, and the reports are built specifically to their requirements. And all the reports always include the drill down functionality. With a little training, the more advanced users can even build their own reports from a blank worksheet. All they need to do is type in the member label in the columns and choose the member labels they want in the rows, and the data is added to the intersecting cells. The user can choose if they want to see a description, and if so, where. And the drill down functionality can be used to build their report. With just a little practice, users will be able to build their own complex reports, but without needing to use any complex formula. And all Merlin Report Wizard reports are just Excel worksheets. They can be saved and reopened like any other workbook, or even emailed to colleagues without the need to break any SmartView links. And that's just some of the features of the MerlinXL Report Wizard. If you'd like to see more, we'd be happy to give an online or on-site demonstration. Contact Merlin at merlinxl.com and ask for a demonstration.